The internet is a worldwide network of millions of computers connected to each other by wires, optical cables, or radio waves. The connection between the devices allows users to communicate or share information and resources with each other. Smooth and efficient data transmission is ensured by well-established rules and protocols. Data is transmitted to short distances through wireless connections, while in the case of larger distances, transmission takes place through electric or optical cables. Data centers located on different continents are connected to each other by optical cables laid on the ocean floor. Currently, there are more than 400 internet cables laid on the floor of oceans and seas, and their number is continuously changing as new ones are installed and old ones are removed. According to estimations, the total length of underwater internet cables is about 1.3 million kilometers. The signal must be amplified at intervals of 80 to 100 kilometers to avoid data loss. About 99% of the internet traffic between continents takes place through these cables. Contrary to popular belief, the internet is not an intangible notion, but a set of interacting devices and the systems guaranteeing the connection between them. Digital data transmission and storage, be it texts, images, or videos, use a binary number system where numbers are represented by two digits, 0 and 1. These number sequences are transmitted as light and electric impulses or radio waves. For effective data transmission, large files of messages and information must be divided into smaller units called network packets. Any available route can be used to deliver these packets to their destination where they are reassembled. As opposed to traditional voice communication, this method does not require a single dedicated route between each pair of users. Besides the instructions on how to assemble them, each packet contains information about the sender and the recipient as well. Routers function as data traffic controllers. Their task is to find the fastest route for each packet. If a route is congested, the router forwards the packet through another route. Local area networks, or LANs, connect the computers within a given location, like an office, a school, or a hospital, while wide area networks, or WANs, provide a connection between devices located at larger distances from each other, for example in different cities, countries, and continents. Thanks to its structure, the network of internet connections can be extended easily without interrupting the service.